Welcome back, everyone. Once you've added your app, it's time to add the keywords that you would like to track in Astro. First things first, you need to select the store, which you can do with this button at the top or with the shortcut Command L. In this list, you have all the countries available in Apple Ads, because Astro uses it to extract popularity. Once new countries are added to Apple Ads, you will then see them in short in Astro as well. If you simply hover over the eye icons, you can see which are the primary and secondary languages of that country. This filter in the right corner is useful if you want to sort your countries alphabetically or with higher number of keywords, which is the number you will see here on the right. If you want to know more about the subject of localization, you can find a link in the documentation as well. Let's add our first keyword. You can do so in 3 different ways. First one is with the Add Keywords button, which is here at the top. You can also access it with the shortcut Command K. With this feature, you can also add multiple keywords at the same time by simply separating them with a comma, like I did. Another way to add keywords is through the suggestion button, which is this one in orange at the top, which you can also access after going into the Add App button and selecting the eye icon. This list shows you all the keywords for which your app is currently ranking or for which it has ranked before. You can also select the best keywords through the filters of popularity or difficulty. Or you can also select the top 100 as well with this button. If you're wondering why you're also seeing keywords in other languages as well, for example Chinese and Japanese, it's because each country has a primary and sometimes multiple secondary languages. One big example is the US store. This is why we're also seeing keywords in other languages. If you want to know how Astro knows for which keywords your app is ranking, you can find an insight in the documentation. Additionally, if your app is new, it may have no suggestions at all, and it may take some time before some keywords appear. So in this case, we recommend for you to check the keywords for which your competitor is ranking. And to do so, simply go into the suggestion button and select the gear icon at the top, in which you can paste your competitor's app URL so that you can start using their keywords as a starting point. The third and final way to add keywords to your view is by simply selecting one of the keywords you've already added to your list, right-clicking on it, and choosing the first option, which is Extract Competitors Keywords. With this function, Astro will search through the titles and subtitles of the first 10 apps in ranking and come up with the best results. In our next video, we will see in detail all the data that Astro shows in the keyword view. See you in the next video.